It's amazing how the bears we see today are not the same as the actual bears that lived millions of years ago. It is said that bears evolved from dogs and other carnivorous mammals. But what makes bears special? Is it their weight, shape, color, or origin? In today's video, we'll cover almost everything about bears, from their evolutionary history to their current nature. So let's get started. Bears belong to the carnivoran group, a diverse collection of mostly carnivorous mammals. Within this group, bears fall under the category of caniforms, a subgroup that is more closely related to dogs than to cats. The caniform lineage also includes animals like raccoons, weasels, badgers, and seals, contributing to the rich tapestry of carnivorous mammals. The question of bears' closest living relatives has spurred considerable debate among researchers. While caniforms in general share similarities, recent studies suggest that seals may be the closest living relatives of bears. This familial connection is rooted in a common ancestor that likely existed around 35 to 40 million years ago, marking a pivotal point in the evolutionary timeline of bears. Venturing further into the annals of bear evolution, we encounter Perictus, one of the earliest bear ancestors, residing in North America approximately 38 million years ago. A tiny creature, resembling a cross between a raccoon and a wolverine, Perictus set the stage for the lineage that would eventually give rise to modern-day bears. As the evolutionary journey progressed, certain bear ancestors displayed intriguing characteristics similar to caniform animals. They exhibited a long body and a digitigrade foot posture, standing on tiptoes like dogs. This adaptation facilitated efficient running over longer distances, a trait valuable in the pursuit of prey. Bears, on the other hand, adopted a plantigrade foot posture, walking on the palms of their hands, enhancing their ability to dig and hunt for a diverse range of foods, including insects, root vegetables, and honey. Ursavus, an ancestor that emerged around 25 million years ago during the late Oligocene, marked a significant milestone in bear evolution. While not extensively documented due to fragmentary remains, Ursavus showcased traits indicative of a primitive bear lineage. These early bears remained relatively small, with the largest species comparable in size to a wolf. The evolution of bear teeth took a crucial turn with Ursavus, which exhibited the beginnings of a tooth structure essential for efficient plant food digestion. This adaptation became a foundation for later bears, enabling them to widen their dietary preferences. The broader context of carnivoran evolution reveals a shared ancestry dating back around 60 million years, following the extinction of dinosaurs. This common lineage laid the foundation for various carnivorous traits observed in carnivorans. While many carnivorans exhibit primarily carnivorous behaviors, some, like raccoons and certain species of badgers, have evolved to include fruits, nuts, and other plant materials in their diets. Bears stand out among carnivorans as the only omnivores that have evolved large or even giant body sizes. Examining the fossil record provides insights into the dietary preferences of ancient bears. For instance, a giant raccoon relative displayed evidence of a more carnivorous diet compared to modern raccoons. Similarly, Megalictus, a large 50-kilogram relative of badgers, exhibited entirely predatory behaviors. The trend observed in carnivorans suggests that in general, larger species tend to incorporate more meat into their diets. However, bears deviate from this pattern, showcasing a unique ability to maintain an omnivorous diet with large bodies. The key lies in their distinctive teeth, enabling efficient digestion of plant materials, coupled with the strategy of hibernation during winter to conserve energy. Pandas, the only fully herbivorous carnivorans, share an intriguing connection with bears. Despite their distinct diet, DNA evidence reveals that pandas split from other bears around 19 million years ago. This evolutionary divergence coincided with environmental changes, transforming jungles into dry forests and forests into grasslands. Bears had to adapt to survive in more open spaces and plains, leading to the development of various features, including a lighter build and longer limbs. One notable group of bears that emerged during this period is the short-faced bears. Named for their distinctive body type rather than a direct familial relationship, these bears exhibited adaptations suited for open habitats. Agriotherium, one of the first short-faced bears appearing around 13 million years ago, quickly spread across different parts of the world, even reaching sub-Saharan Africa. The Ice Age era introduced Arctodus, a formidable short-faced bear in North America, approximately 3 million years ago. These bears, characterized by massive size, longer limbs, and powerful jaws, were initially thought to be more predatory than modern bears. However, recent insights propose a different perspective: that short-faced bears were likely kleptoparasitic. In a kleptoparasitic strategy, these bears would intimidate predators, such as saber-toothed cats, and pilfer their hard-earned kills. The robust bite force observed in short-faced bears played a crucial role in cracking open bones to access marrow after the flesh had rotted away. This adaptation allowed them to thrive in their ecosystem, showcasing the intricate balance of survival strategies in the natural world. The Trimarctini family, encompassing short-faced bears, managed to make its way to South America when the continents were connected to North America around 2 million years ago. Arctotherium, a giant short-faced bear in South America, achieved astonishing sizes, with some estimates placing them taller than an average human. Despite the extinction of these colossal short-faced bears, the Trimarctini family persists through the spectacled bear, the only living relative of these ancient bears in South America. This small bear is more closely related to the extinct short-faced bears than to any contemporary bear species. The remaining living bears, including brown bears, polar bears, sun bears, and the extinct cave bears, trace their ancestry back to Ursus minimus, a bear that inhabited Europe approximately 5 to 6 million years ago. The rapid emergence of diverse bear lineages within the last 5 million years contrasts with the evolutionary timeline of other species, such as chimpanzees and humans, which split around 5 to 7 million years ago. The separation of brown bears and polar bears, the most recent bear species to evolve, occurred due to a minor extinction event at the end of the Miocene epoch. This event led to the extinction of older bear species, creating ecological niches that new bear species, like black and brown bears, evolved to fill. Polar bears, arising from brown bears, underwent unique adaptations to thrive in the Arctic environment. These adaptations include webbed paws for efficient swimming and an enhanced ability to break down body fat quickly. The separation between brown bears and polar bears, estimated to have occurred over 300,000 to over 1 million years ago, remains a topic of study, with genetic analyses providing insights into their distinct evolutionary paths. The discovery of an ancient polar bear jawbone in Svalbard, dating over 100,000 years ago, suggests that polar bears had already adapted to a marine diet by this time. This rapid evolution, occurring within a few 100,000 years, showcases the remarkable adaptive capabilities of bears. And as we come to the end of this video, the fascinating journey of bear evolution and their crucial roles in ecosystems stands as a testament to the intricacies of nature's design. From the ancient forebears to the majestic creatures we encounter today, bears exemplify resilience and adaptability,